Hey, what's up, Peters R guys? It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblokist, Granny,
Chewy!
and we are the Marvel Slumber Squatters. Merry Christmas to everyone and happy holidays, advance Happy New Year. It's about time. Yo, it's finally freaking here. We've been waiting for so long na mag-release ang Marvel ng bagong trailer. We were expecting them to release it like a year before, which was supposedly December 18, but now it's like, is their Christmas gift. It's Marvel's Christmas gift to their fans, to their people, including the Marvel Slumber Squad. And yo, it's been a long time coming. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. Nabanggit ni 8 The Chosen a while ago who already watched the trailer na ano daw siya, very emotional daw. I don't want to expect anything, pero let's go. I'm just really excited. A year-ender, right timing sila. Perfect gift. It's the perfect gift.
Personally, medyo naging impatient ako nito. Pero I guess iba yung attack ko, parang it's finally here. Parang ganun eh. Imbes na, yes, ito na. Medyo ang tagal nun, from December 18. That's 5 days later. Literally, like every hour, I've been checking their channel.
Yes, same.
Ang last bid nila, yung Cosmic, Marvel Cosmic.
Marvel Future Fight.
Oh,
Laging
bad trip ako kasi parang 18 nila ni-release yun eh. Sabi ko, ano ba, this day sila, based on research. Every day I've been waiting. So, I hope the wait is gonna be worth it. No? Yun lang for me.
For me, ako din. Actually, nagulat ako na meron pa at the end. Kasi akala ko yung dati natin yun na yun. So, excited ako ngayon na meron pa tayong last of the year na mapapanood. Actually, nakakakita ako ng mga parang umiingay sila ulit. So, mabilis ako nagsuscroll ngayon. Mabilis ako nagsuscroll ngayon kasi nakakatakot. Bakit ang ingay? So, okay. Ayoko nang mag-expect. Ayoko ng anything. Pero excited ako.
Do you have any idea, by the way, kung ano yung papanoorin natin tonight?
I think Doomsday? Tama ba? I
Alright.
think this is it.
Alright. Same with Chiwi here. I really tried my best na umiwas sa spoilers online. Although, not gonna lie, medyo may alam na ako, especially nung nagkaroon ng trailer nung yung seats of the actors na magiging part of Doomsday. Some names there, na-confirm ko na, okay, siya pala to, ganito. So, let's go. I just can't wait na lumabas sila dito sa trailer na to. I don't know if they're gonna show us a lot in this trailer na would
To the point
really...
na wala nang
to the point na
surprise.
nawala ka nang aabangan, which I hope not. Pero sana magpakita naman sila ng sobrang ikaka-excite ko. Enough to just make me hype for Doomsday, guys. Like, oh, let's go. I hope they showed all the damn universe, guys. Let's go. All
Actually,
the
na-excite
damn
na ako. Bigla na ako
flipping
na-excite.
universe, okay? So without further ado, no, everyone here is very excited. Can't wait to see this movie of our life. Guys, movie of our life. Well, actually, Secret Wars pa. Pero, second movie of our lives so far. Second, top 2.
One of the movies.
One of the movies for our lives, of our lives, on our lives, in our lives, guys. Without further ado, guys, let's dive in. In 3, 2, 1, let's dive in!
May piano sa malayo eh.
Oo nga.
Oh, Avengers yung music.
What?
Who is this? Steve?
Steve, may sing-sing siya.
Ay, oo nga. Ito na yung
House ni
pupunta siya
Steve.
doon.
Oh no, so
What?
is he actually alive talaga?
Wait, what? Okay. Okay.
Captain. May baby!
Oh, shoot!
A baby?
Who's this?
May baby?
Sis... Oh my gosh.
Ma, don't tell me si ano to.
Steve Rogers.
Steve Rogers will return.
Ayan lang. Just Doomsday.
Ang ganda ng scene na yun, gag.
Whoa! Let's go! Let's go! Nag-start na.
What the heck? What?
Okay.
Yun na yun!
Ang
Wait!
galing!
Chibi, good?
Yes, I'm good.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh.
Wow. Wow. Okay, I was not expecting it to be like that only. That was a damn teaser, a real damn teaser.
Sabi ko sa'yo, if you remember, di ba? Multiple i-release nila.
Na trailers?
Oo. Parang 4 ata eh.
Pero hindi, iba-ibang movies.
Iba-ibang
titles.
iba-iba yung ganyan feel ko eh. Iba-ibang shorts.
Una pa lang, hindi ko man alam, like, hindi ko pa nakikita yung face, pero naiiyak na ako.
Oo.
Yung ginamit nilang song, nakakaiyak.
Mm-mm.
Ewan ko, parang, yun din yung last na sinabi ko, yun na yun. Parang
Ah,
nabitin ako na, at the same time, what the fuck? Bakit? Who's the baby? Why is there a baby? Yun, I don't know anything about that na.
I don't know anything
And-
about it too.
Okay, I guess medyo overwhelmed ako kahit sobrang short lang din nung pinakita.
Mm,
Kasi hindi ko lang siya in-expect na babalik pa siya. So, ayun, nandun pa ako sa, wait, babalik siya, tapos naiiyak pa rin ako. So, ayun, sige, kayo muna.
Ako na ano ko, parang yung juxtaposition nung scene ni Steve Rogers na parang siyang nakaganon. Parang yun yung itsura niya nung kasayaw niya si ano eh, si Peggy
Oh.
Carter. As in, same yung
So,
angle.
very nostalgic yung...
Oh, may ganun. Same
Emotions.
vibe. I think ganun yung itsura na nung kayakap niya si ano eh. Yung medyo tilted yung head. Yun lang. So, parang hindi ko lang get sino nga yung anak. Nasaan si Peggy? Is he Hydra this time? Hindi ko alam eh. Ewan ko. Medyo far-fetched
I'm assuming-
pero it seems like it's a different universe.
maybe. I'm assuming very far-fetched then. Maybe Doom is the baby?
What?
I don't know. I don't know, man. Like, I have no clue what that was. Pero yun yung nag-sink in sa akin. Wait, is this Doom? It's weird, bro. It's weird.
I guess kung ito yung first trailer nila, very significant yung
Exactly.
baby.
Very significant yung
Nagkaanak
baby.
ba siya ever sa comic?
Hindi ko nga din alam
Hindi ko
eh.
na alam, honestly.
I don't know. First time ko nalaman to.
Oo. Medyo weird siya. As in, kulang yung
Or-
info ng trailer.
Baka si Baby Franklin yun? Richards?
Naalagaan niya.
Or, hindi ko alam.
Very vague yung ano. Wala, as in wala
Wala akong
talaga.
makuha. I have no idea.
So, I guess nung Endgame ang binalikan nila yung New York battle, ito, ang babalikan nila yung Endgame battle dito sa movie na to. I don't know. Medyo kulang talaga.
Kulang.
Hindi ko alam kailan next gagatungan yung trailer na to. Most likely, we're gonna watch that. Kasi I think it's part of their marketing plan na again, magre-release sila ng a couple of shorts. I think kailangan natin siya panoorin kasi ganun meant nila
Okay.
Sa trailers pa lang, sinisimulan na nila yung film eh.
What made me excited about it would be yung countdown. Parang, oh shit, 12 more months, let's go. Less than 12 more months, by the way.
Grabe, December gift
Lapit na
nila
yun,
to.
bro. December 18. This is gonna be the best Christmas gift of Marvel, bro. Hopefully, it's way better than what we got back then during
Oh,
Endgame.
last year, what? Craven.
Ay, my God.
This year, wala sila this year. Ito na yung gift nila eh, no?
Babalik siya as
Actually,
Steve Rogers. So,
Steve
hindi
Rogers
na
will
siya,
return.
hindi siya Captain America.
Yeah.
Kasi ang Captain America si ano na.
Oh, tsaka
Tinago na niya yung suit niya. So yeah, I feel like ipapakita dito yung kung anong ginawa ni Steve Rogers nung bumalik siya sa panahon ni Peggy Carter.
Hmm.
So nung inabot niya kay
Oh.
Sam Wilson yung shield, sabi niya, may nagawa akong mali. Ikaw na bahala, Sam Wilson. Bigay ko na sa'yo to.
Eh, ikaw, nasatisfy ka ba sa gift?
Nasatisfy ba ako sa gift? Not what I was expecting. Talaga nabitin ako. I was expecting like something big, but like it is a teaser trailer, so sayang. Is it the best birthday? Is it the best birthday and Christmas gift? No, honestly, no. Bitin ako doon. Pero I hope maybe before our birthday may ilabas pa sila this the rest of the weeks for 2025. Hopefully, I feel like may ilalabas sila eh. Like about Doomsday, about Doomsday.
Ang narinig ko per week, may ilalabas silang isa.
Fine, let's see. But
Oh.
I'm assuming yung per week na yun would be yung different titles eh. I want Doomsday.
If totoo yung sinasabi na there's more na ilalabas, then I'm looking forward to that. Kasi bitin nga siya. Though excited pa rin ako kasi hindi ko in-expect na siya agad yung makikita natin sa nilabas nila. So I think that is special na din kahit na very short lang kasi parang na-miss ko siya eh. Na-miss ko sila yung OG na ano. So, mas na-excite ako for the next. Hopefully, it's longer na mas marami silang ipapakita na mas ma-excite pa tayo.
For me, I think mas na-confirm ko meron talaga silang ilalabas pa. Kasi grabe ang bitin nito eh. I would say na hindi ako satisfied na sa MCU ito lang yung ilalabas niyo sa Christmas sa 24. Come on. Parang as I mentioned a while ago, I've been waiting since 18 and I hope yung wait was worth it. And I don't think it was. Yun siya for me kasi sobrang bitin talaga. Blanco pa. Wala akong nakitang expectin pa sa Doomsday. Sobrang kulang yung one scene na to. Kahit naman si Steve Rogers parang there's really nothing surprising. Except the baby. Yun. Although, yun nga, parang sino ba kasi yung baby? Yun lang yung nakuha ko. Ibig sabihin, very significant yung baby nito kung iti-trailer nila to as their first marketing sa Doomsday. Ewan ko, if it's a good move. Kapag mamaya sa movie, di naman pala
Mahalaga.
isang scene lang pala yung baby. Yun lang. So, we'll see.
Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed our reaction on Doomsday's first trailer ever, a teaser one. If you did, please do show us some love by subscribing, smashing that like button, and hitting the notification bell to not miss any future contents from yours truly. Comment down below what you think Marvel will release next. Doing all this would definitely help us out on our YouTube partner program journey. As you can see, 90% of our audience aren't subscribed yet. 600 out of 3,000 watch hours is still a long way to go, so it'd be a huge favor if y'all could help us out. We'll be covering all the latest updates, character reveals, gameplay breakdowns, and movie trailer reviews. Mainly Marvel stuff, so stick around for more. Also, do follow me on my socials, YouTube, Twitch, TikTok, Facebook, and Letterboxd accounts at YKSD Goblokest. It's your favorite Marvel trio here, YKSD Goblokest,
Granny.
Kiwi!
and we are the Marvel Slumber Squadrons. Stay epic, stay legendary, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out, mawa!